Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan and today I am going to be unboxing the two Target beauty boxes that I got. Now one of them is the Be Youthful box, and then the other one I got is the All the Mask box. Now these are $7 a piece. So I'm going to go ahead and put my glasses on because I am going to have to read some of the stuff and I cannot see without them. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the All the Mask one. This actually comes with 5 different masks. Let me go ahead and open this bad boy up. Alright, so the first mask that we got is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Gel Mask. I've actually had this one before and I really do like it a lot, so I am excited to have it again because I will definitely use it. The next item in the box is the Kale Multi-Mask Trio. So it has 3 separate masks. Each one is for a different area. So you have the Repair for the T-zone area, you have the Perfect for the cheeks, and then the last one is the Nourish, which is under the eyes. So I am excited to try that and see how it goes. So it looks like the T-zone area, the Repair one, that is a charcoal mud mask. The Perfect cheeks one is a strawberry mud mask, and then the Nourish under the eyes is a coconut cream mask. So those all sound very interesting to use. Let's see here. The next thing in the bag is the Yes to Carrots. This is a vitamin enriched kale paper mask. So I don't think I've ever had one of the Yes to mask before, so I am definitely excited to try it and see how it works. Let's see here. The carrots and kale give your skin the boost it needs for a more nourished, healthy looking glow, formulated without parabens, SLS, and silicones, and it is made of 100% natural cotton. So, alright, so I can't wait to try that one out. Next thing in there is the Mask Bar Luminizing Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So I think I've had this one before, but I don't remember if I used it yet or not. I might have. So definitely excited to use that. This peel off mask helps to detoxify, purify, and deep cleanse. Its deep cleansing ingredients draw out dirt and oil. So that is another interesting. I love mask, so I can't wait to use that one either. Let's see here. The next one in the box is the St. Ives Soothing Sheet Mask. This one is an oatmeal mask. Gently soothes for soft, supple skin. And I didn't realize, but it actually came with this whole little thing here that kind of tells you about each one of them. So that's nice. Kind of gives you tips on how to use the mask, that kind of thing, like tips and tricks kind of stuff. So that's really interesting to have. And it also came with a $1 off St. Ives facial care, so coupons. So that's cool to have. So that's all that is in that box. Let's move on to the next box. Let me put these all in my mask drawer there. Alright, so now the next box is the Be Youthful box. So let me go ahead and open this one up. And again, like I said, this is also $7. And I'm gonna just dump everything out and then we'll go from there. Now that I know it comes with a little do. Alright, so the first thing that we got in the box is, ooh, looks like something was leaking. No bueno. First thing we got in there is the e.l.f. Gotta Glow Lip Tint in the Perfect Pink. Reacts with the chemistry of your lips to deliver a personalized shade of pink, berry, or peach, while the moisturizing formula keeps your pout kissable. Alright, it says a little bit of a tip and trick here is lip tint isn't only for your pout. Dab onto the apples of your cheeks, then rub in for a creamy, natural looking flush. So that's pretty neat. I will definitely try that out and see how that looks. I'm not one really for pink lips. Just depends on the kind of pink it is, but I'll at least try it and see what color it comes out with. It does have shea butter in it for moisturizing, so that I like. And that on the rest of your face. Avoid rough washing or rubbing as it can harm the delicate tissue, which I knew. I'm sure you did too. But that is interesting to try. I definitely am all for an eye makeup removing pad versus just a straight up face pad. So we'll see how well that works. Alright, so the next two things are, which I found which was what was leaking, which was this, and then its co-partner here. These are the Nexus Keraphix shampoo and conditioner, collagen and keratin amino acid repair damaged strands for softer, stronger, healthier looking hair from root to tip. And the conditioner fortifies, formula strengthens, and infuses shine for luscious locks. I actually have the full size of these. I had gotten them not too long ago in one of my crowd tap boxes, and I got the whole set, like everything that came with it, and I will have to say this stuff is amazing. I absolutely love what it does to my hair. As you can see, it is super shiny, brought a whole bunch of life back into it. I have to threaten one of my sons because he's constantly using it, and I can tell when he uses it because his hair is just like baby soft afterwards, and I'm like, boy, that is expensive shampoo and conditioner. Because I think the conditioner alone, like a full size, is like 20 bucks, and I think the shampoo's like 15. So that's pretty pricey for what you would kind of consider a drugstore brand of shampoo and conditioner. But I am glad I got the smaller samples. Maybe I will give them to him so he leaves my big bottles alone, or I might hide these. Who knows? But I do like these. I already know that. So there's that. The next thing in there is the L'Oreal Paris. This is the Pure Clay Cleanser Detox Brighten Clay TQ Mousse. Removes everyday impurities, dirt, oil, and pollution. It is 3 pure clays plus charcoal. I have the red clay one in a full size that I believe I got through I don't know. Where did I get it through? Influencer. So I got one of the, I got the big red one through the Influencer box, and Influencer. So I got one of the, I got the big red one through the Influencer box, and I really love that one. So I am excited to try this one. This one is obviously a sample one, but I still will definitely try this out and see how well it works compared to the red one. Let's see here. The next thing is the Olly Undeniable Beauty Gummy. Healthy hair, strong nails, and dewy skin start at a cellular level. Gummies packed with biotin, borage oil, and antioxidants to help you look your best 24/7. So this is a grapefruit glam with other natural flavors. Interesting. I will definitely try that out and see how that works. Alright, so the next thing I got in the box is the Sinful nail color, and this is in the color Galax-sea. So this is basically looks like a green and gold sparkly nail polish. I love Sinful Colors nail polishes, so I am excited to try that out. Then the last thing I got in the box is from Honest Beauty. This is a younger face deep hydration cream with Diacon radish seed oil that helps your skin stay supple, while Bobabe seed provides an antioxidant benefits that gets you glowing stat. So that is something nice to try out as well. And then what they also included in the thing is a bunch of coupons for all of the items. Some of them are $2 off, some are $3 off, and some are $1 off. So glad that I got coupons, so that way if I do like the products, then I can go and purchase them. So I am glad that they gave us the coupon, so that way if I do like the products that they sent to me, then I can go out and purchase them and save a little bit of money. So that's always good. So that is all for these two boxes that I had. So I thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell on one of these sides here down at the bottom, so that way you are reminded the next time that I upload. Again, thanks for watching, and you have a great day. So that's unnecessary. I think that's a chainsaw. See? Oh, so help me. What is this man sawing down? What?